Yes, everything on this wall and more is under $5. What can you do with items under $5? You can set a table, you can decorate a shelf, and you can keep a clean entranceway, and more. And all this is from IKEA, Canada. Guys, welcome back to Your Space, my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So excited to show you this Fetchka artificial potted plant at IKEA's new lower price. And to be honest with you, I haven't really been a huge fan of artificial plants, but one of my favorite designers changed my mind and I'm loving it, especially this plant. And this plant has been a favorite in our home over the last few years. So one wall in our apartment, we have these IKEA shelves, and it's a perfect place for this plant amongst our books and magazines. It gives a really fresh and youthful look to this particular space in the home. And sometimes we mix it up with the IKEA prints or other prints that we have, and we can change things around whenever we want. And move this plant around, and gives a lot of flexibility in our space. So in this particular space, we've also placed one of IKEA's other clear shelves with IKEA prints that we got a couple of years ago. And I love how the Fetchka plant ties the colors of both of the prints together. And do note that we are not professional designers in this home, but we know what we love and how we want to present our space so it feels comfortable for us. And I thought while I was doing this video that IKEA had some really great ideas on how to use their Fetchka plants, and I loved how the way they had it displayed. So guys, please excuse my Swedish, but the Fetchka looked amazing on the Vanilla Stang plant stand. Need just one plant to style your bathroom. This Fetchka plant will definitely be it. And I loved how IKEA had it all hanging down, sort of cascading down on the ceiling. Such a great idea for a teenager's bedroom or young child's bedroom. And the versatility of this plant is you can mix it up with other fresh plants in your home, and you can put it inside a bookcase as well. I especially loved the way all the Fetchka plants are displayed on a dividing wall by IKEA's restaurant. I think this is such an incredibly great idea. Next is the Grejik shoe rack. This shoe rack is perfectly priced and has tremendous versatility, as you can use it inside a wardrobe to display your shoes, or get a couple of these and stack them up, and they're easily foldable to put away until the next time you need it, especially if you're expecting guests. This is a great item that'll work well even in a small space. Up next is the off-test serving bowl at $1.99, which we own at home as well. These plates are made of tempered glass and has this elegance and shine to it. At the end of the day, there's nothing that looks better on a table than white plates, dishes, and cups, bringing to the table very easily a certain amount of elegance. This off-test serving bowl can easily be covered with off-test white plates, which is absolutely awesome. And these plates are IKEA's best sellers, bringing freshness to the table, and it is easily adaptable into any design decor in your home. These off-tests are classic pieces with affordable prices. These Ostbit bamboo serving tongs are versatile in the kitchen and so easy to use, you might as well own more than one. Up next is this gray shoe tray at $3.99. This bag muck shoe tray can be used indoors or outdoors. This is IKEA's best seller item. It can be easily placed under the Grejik shoe rack. It's perfect for all 4 seasons, it's easy to take care of, and it's an excellent dirt and gravel catcher. This shoe tray comes in 2 colors, in gray and deep yellow. I absolutely adore these pristine white Soja Bona plant pots. And I love this entire display wall of the Fetchka plants placed inside the Soja Bona pots. These white pots look expensive and high-end, and I like how IKEA is showcasing them. Whether you prefer real plants or faux plants, these white pots will definitely enhance the look of any plant or flowers that are placed in it. These plant pots could also be used in the kitchen for wooden spoons or on a desk for paintbrushes. These Eastad resealable bags come at a great price. They're colorful and fashionably designed and handy in the kitchen to keep your produce fresh. And it keeps liquids without leaking as well. Now, if you have kids who are going to college or you're in need of more hangers, this is great value. These are one of my favorite hangers and I absolutely love them. This elegant blue gilded placemat works well with all IKEA's white pieces. It's made with hand-woven banana fiber, which reduces noise from plates and cutlery, and when not in use, it rolls up easily to be put away. And you definitely can't go wrong with the Finesse trash can at $1.99. And then we have IKEA's lint rollers at 99 cents. Through the store, I found more great deals, like this galvanized plant pot, suitable for indoors and outdoors. I own several of IKEA's older galvanized pots. However, I like how they have this writing on them. Now, no one can really beat IKEA's frames because they are probably the best, and with the prices, they're absolutely unbelievable. I own quite a few of IKEA's pieces of their photo frames, and they are the cutest. Some of them are just adorable, and I wanted to actually show you guys, and this is very exciting, what I found at IKEA at the end. I got for $2.50. So this is it, my big reveal. I got this Eiffel Tower print for $2.50, and there's 2 in this pack. So I was actually looking for something like this to place on one of our sideboards, one of IKEA's sideboards. So I'm going to show you very quickly what I did with this. So I got this Eiffel Tower print, and it came in 2 packs. It came with a camera print at the back, and this is what I did with it. I put it into a frame, and I put it just by our sideboard, by our coffee area. And this is an old frame, could be an IKEA frame from ages ago, but I found this frame and I put this print in here for $2.50. I got 2 prints. I just couldn't believe it, and it just looks absolutely grand. I feel that it gave this space, it just uplifted our coffee space. Really, that's what it did. So if you're looking for a print to elevate your home, this is a great time to get down to IKEA to grab these prints for under $5. I also bought this salt and pepper shaker. I have been seeing it at IKEA for a while, and to be honest with you, I haven't even opened it yet. So I will be making a few more IKEA videos coming up after this one. So I'll open it up and see how it goes, and I'll definitely let you guys know. Guys, thank you so much for being here, and I hope this video provided some value to you. Do subscribe to see another upcoming IKEA video, and I'll see you in the next one.